Hindi lahat ng rescue, sweet or mabait agad. And that's okay. Hello, my name is Miss Suzanne. Hindi po ako vet, pero for almost 25 years, I've been an animal welfare advocate. I also had an international NGO that helps uplift the lives of Philippine dogs. Hindi lahat ng rescue ay sweet or mabait agad. And that's okay. With my 25 years in animal rescue, dogs learned the hard way na sometimes trusting people can hurt. So instead of being sweet and affectionate right away, they protect themselves by being cautious and by waiting. Hindi ibig sabihin na ayaw kanila. Hindi rin sila masungit. Matapang or masungit minsan, pero hindi talaga sila ganon. They're just trying to feel safe at first. So kung ikaw ay nag-aalaga sa aso na ganito, lalo na pag newly rescue, slow down. Number 1, let them approach you, not the other way around. Number 2, avoid forcing hugs or kisses. Kakagatin ka nun. Kahit love language natin yan, baka overwhelming sa kanila. And number 3, be consistent. Sa routine, sa boses, sa galaw. Same energy, same tone, araw-araw. Trust doesn't grow because of grand gestures. It grows when day after day, nothing bad happens. Balang araw, sila mismo ang lalapit sa inyo. Kung may aso kang ganito, save this tip. Share mo rin to sa kapwa dog parent na natututong mag-antay.